So beautiful to see people waking up and having happy, fulfilled lives. When you embody yourself as empty, intelligent love, and you say myself, you refer to empty, intelligent love, then you love yourself and you see yourself everywhere. You see, there's no separation. There's no me and nature. There's no me and you. Me and you appears. That's the shadow play that love uses. So beautiful. You can be happy and be yourself. So when I say stay with what you love, it's different from what you desire. How do you know the difference between what you love and what you desire? We love what we desire, but as long as desire is what's running it, or desire is running along with it, it's not true love. Something else is going on. And so also, it's the same thing with love and sentimentality. When we're sentimental, there is love involved, but it's tainted by the sentimentality. Same way. When you desire something that you say, I'd love to have a new car, or I'd love to have a new relationship, or whatever it is, love will be there because love is your nature. But when it's polluted by the desire, it doesn't ever work out. You might get the car or the new relationship or whatever it is, but it will be tainted. It'll be tainted by your personal involvement, which means your own fears, your neediness, your angers and judgments. So, as long as the angry, fearing, judgmental somebody is what's behind the scenes of the loving, kind, caring somebody, that is the pollution of the purity. It's here in every one of us. But it's clouded by desires and fears. And in this moment, no desire, no fear, no cloudiness. Empty, intelligent love is here, in this moment, as this moment, inside and out. So maybe you see it on the outside, and you have to also see it on the inside. And when you see it on the inside, you will also see it on the outside. And then you recognize inside and outside is just a fantasy of mind, a useful tool for perceiving a me and a you in this play of Leela. So, thank you for being here. May everybody be happy and free.